as you can see, I got it down to bare metal after many hours of sanding and grinding and wire wheel and all kinds of stuff. Finally got there. Whew. So now it's ready for primer, and on the back, the front's going to get all primer, the back we're going to try the rust reformer. And I never used this before. I want to give it a try and see if it works. And I'll let you know if it does or not. But you can see if it will. Well, here it is, folks. 24 hours later, per instructions, for it to dry and cure. Turned it black, like it said it would. I don't know exactly what it did, but I want to give it a light sanding, front and back, and shoot some primer on it. So I guess it did what it said it would do. Alright, well, here it is. I got it on the primer. I think it came out pretty good. Here's the front. Here's the back. All I got left to do now is to paint it, and after that I'm going to go ahead and take my tap and run through all the bolt holes and clean up the threads because they were kind of rusty. I need new bolts for all of the brackets and put it on the truck. As I said, this is as far as I'm going to go with the grill as of yet. This is going to be set aside, and I'm going to start working on the hood. Or, if it's not the hood right off, I got countless other things to get cleaned up and under primer. There's the hood latch, and I got window frames. The vent windows need a lot of work. And I got interior trim pieces. This is a door cover. Got those to do. Thanks for watching part 2 of the 1957 pickup truck grill. Stay tuned for future